Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into the PRC portal with your admin or approver account and complete two-factor authentication. Once in, immediately search for the exact transaction ID and open the transaction record so you can see date, amount, and beneficiary. This prevents canceling the wrong item. Make sure the transaction is still within the permitted cancellation window and note any system locks or hold flags. If it is outside the window, you will need escalation or reversal instead of a standard cancel. You now initiate the cancel action in the transaction menu, choosing the precise reason code, error, duplicate, client request, because the code drives downstream processing. Next, attach required evidence, authorization forms, proof of error, or client communications, missing docs delay approval. After you submit, capture the system reference number and immediately notify the beneficiary and internal approvers so they can confirm. This reduces dispute windows and speeds automated processing once approvals are collected. You finish by watching the transaction status until it reaches canceled or reversed. Check timestamps and approval logs to ensure the action completed. Once confirmed, reconcile your ledger and trigger any refund or reversal workflows so customer balances and accounting match. If the status stalls or an unexpected debit persists, escalate immediately to PRC support with the cancellation reference and attach the audit trail. That single escalation step usually resolves delays faster than repeating submissions and prevents duplicate reversals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.